John Mahama me moachi anopei erade asumdie nkan menenam na metete ana me copy video bi so se ese no wo se bloggers a ya kasa di atem edi fake news to dwa ya niema awase wo ye bibi fa ho John Mahama ontimi nya bibi anfa ho odo wo tumi no se mampani otimi ye de ope o 4 years otimi ye de ope ba me pese John Mahama me ka asem kireo koto de ne bodwa wo ho nyanya nkire de yenya no nko if it's a poison wonimu ba John Mahama me ka kireo poison nyanya nkire bewe awu Ghana enya wo John Mahama wo dia odo ukuta Ghana to me otimi ye de ope within this 4 years ba said nsuo to ye no awia be bone pe e simple if we say opposition o share nipa bi ati sa na meka no because Kevin Taylor buy no na before ye beto aba no nkrofo ka say John Mahama woni Ibrahim Mahama na mo share Kevin Taylor chi ene nkrofo bi achi Captain Smart mo na mo didi akufo ado atem twantro eto akufo ado aban so ye ne ma empanifuo ahemfo na menyini ba Kevin Taylor buy ya wo di a whole national security ga e born ne ho ban e man no vice president resident etna ye woni ne yire ne ma ana mejiri sa asem ne di ye sa wo John Mahama sa na ye no kre se wanya sade na sama no mo ka bia ni ho na mefa unse me man ka bida because na menyini but the net de wo ka kire ye say bloggers and nam social media e try to the dia tem emma fake news na sefo how it will be open so ye bi fa ho opa he ye niam bia a wo be ye but the essence ye no ye nso ye be ye because of mine no da ya bam da ya koma so ye man Ghana ye man Ghana ye ni ba bia ko enti niam bia be ko so a emmoa o man no ne ye daache opa famra ebra emekuye nyina eka ye moje twato ye de beje ye man Ghana si ho o man Ghana se ye ni ba bia ko na ye man ye dwapade ba ko pani ye man Ghana on se to wo de wani nye ho but wo position na wonyonko enkrofo Captain Smart mu Kevin Taylor Twene Jonas mu etwan tro de dimpanifo ne akufo ado atem nkolan ketenkete de akufo ado atem na wo bo nsem ma wo mu na wani age na de we need to me o yes enti said ye nso ye no ye be ye ne pe ene de ebesi benyasi de ebesi ebenyasi e wo Ghana ha John Mahama wani nye ho enti se ne ma bone koso wa ban mu kura na maye nka se ne ma anye koso ibo keni we hyase eno ye kasa ho no oye mampani yante wo nka eniema ekokoso kidnapping robbery ne na sefo nyina eno ye ka ho asem a wo se bloggers ye twantro ye ma fake news na sefo enti wo mpe wo pese wo ye bibi fa ho John Mahama unu no ho sere I'm telling you mini bibi aka biem.
Alright, ebusunya bema kwaba biom e da baga na nsem TV eso ye ba pay am de ni video e kire wo no o say yembusa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say da ben e na ohun say atem didie kasa ye kaseti apanyini no enye sanse ye be ka ye mere bi etwa mu abra no Ghana ye mampanyini dada no ano wo position no nsem bia amanfo bi kan ye enam so amende otime we need to me about be president of the Republic of Ghana enti no then na isi eme ohun say those things are things that emboa Ghana democracy no ama democracy nyeden enkoso eno wonte no opese otimi di emre bi ba ebe hwema saa ne ma ne nyina no eso ate nsem wei eye nsem a menga no mete say President John Dramani Mahama no me gina me ho busa me ho say so is President John Dramani Mahama aware of the things that Kevin Taylor has been saying because in our mind we mu and we know the kind of things Kevin Taylor said And after saying all these things, today he is roaming about doing whatever he wants, claiming that he is the boss because he insulted president, vice president, he insulted chiefs, he insulted journalists, he insulted everyone in this country. And today, no one has done anything to him. No one has done anything to him. And he claimed that he is the boss because, yes, his government is in power. And this guy goes around, talk to people the way he wants because he feels like no one can do anything to him. But today, these guys are crying because what they did, people are doing the same thing to them. This is what we call karma. But I won't say karma ne adebia. Say chill na here jumana. You didn't even know. Until I say, because you never thought said this day was going to come. But we are here today, and we are here because of what the things are happening all these years. All these years. And I'm just hoping that you see, will be from Kuma on, will be from Ja. Yes, I understand. I really understand that one. So will be from Kuma, will be from Ja. But sometimes, yeah, that's the truth. Sometimes, yeah. But Ghana niya on social me. What do you think? What do you think? I mean, what do you think? Comment section no.
Ghana for sisi amene okasai breaking news Ay3k3 say okoman so tonto kroma eya emrantie a ewo ho eni sojafo e dia bani gidigidi pa enya asem ketwa momye kohwe video imra ye ba de ewo ho no ye beka aka ho Someone who the entire emrantie eni abre eni sojafo dia bani a omode tires egukwema omo shino omo prevent the sojafo no bewura krom ho ne se eya emrantie mu krom ho no galamsey ana omo ye eno ana omo dibi edidie His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ko krom ko ka che omo se oba obepa adwuma ma omo 24-hour economy ni ba obepa adwuma ma omo ebi be kwa no pa ebi be kwa wi ebi be kwa nwumre omo anya adwuma anya ne so the site na wo krom ho no ebema omo ama didi so eti ato ba wie NDC awene emrante na ko site so mo koya adwuma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne NDC government apesa omo sa ton site no edema Asanko Mines a private organization adentia emrante a ma show mo bosa mo the site no be mo ya adwuma atie mo ato abade amamo na ma wini awie a mo beton site no ede ama Asanko Mines enti emrante na wo no bu afu ani sojafo a mo ba ho ebebo ban no e de asia ni gidigidi na say edika aka say sojafo enye madwuma ne say mo kobo concession ho ban madwuma ne say ntoko asi e wo Savannah region ntoko asi boko mo nko na mo kobo Ghana ho ban mo protect Ghana against external and internal aggression na mom enye sa mo kobo obi concession ho ban ama gold board for abenya sika ne same jamfini NDC for abechadi enye santin yete Ghana army etimrante ne so mo mpene o makoto nkosua omakoto enwan mienu a omo so omo de bebo John Dramani Mahama ene NDC aban edua se bosha mo hye omo no mobu bosha ne so to mbebo mu dua apo sojafo no nyina so dua a enwan ene nkosua a edi ahim wo ho a obebo yeseselesi John Dramani Mahama dua enam se bosha okɔhye omo a wandi so a ene wasa soma sojafo se enko brum rante no na wanya bibia ma wase a usa bɔ no kro no wakɔhye mrante ne bɔ na se wunya ma omo adwuma nya ya esa oni omo kasa na usa soma sojafo se omo nkɔgye concession free omo nsɛm a wopɛ se mrante no nkɔbɔ kro no ana ɛhefa ɛna omo bedidi omo so wa abusu